Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The recently launched Realme GT Neo 6 SE comes with AI features. In this photo, you can use AI to remove the cat, and then it's gone. Most new phones this year will have more AI features. Today, I am going to show you unboxing and review of the Realme GT Neo 6 SE in this video. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's unbox the Realme GT Neo 6 SE. We remove the plastic covering and open the lid. This is the silver variant. The phone comes in two colors, silver and green. Inside, there's a 100-watt power adapter with a Type A output. In the cardboard box, you'll find a user manual and a black case. After removing the plastic from the phone, let's talk about its design. The phone is available in the silver night color here. This phone resembles the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus Mystic Silver World Champions Edition, set to launch in India on April 30th. At first glance, it seems to have a triple camera setup, with the third one having a dual flash. It features an industry-first nano mirror back instead of the traditional AG matte process, but you can easily spot fingerprint signs on the back. The back feels like polycarbonate based on its sound. In the Realme GT Neo 6 SE, you get a display from BOE this time. It brings better colors and a higher screen-to-body ratio, although the borders aren't uniformly thin on all four sides. The bottom chin is slightly thicker. In the GT5 Pro, the peak brightness was 4,500 nits, but in the GT Neo 6 SE, it's extended to 6,000 nits. Although we don't usually use such brightness in daily use. You can manually adjust the brightness up to 1000 nits, and globally, it goes up to 1600 nits. In daily life, we typically use this level of brightness. The screen offers different color patterns, vivid, natural, and professional modes. In professional mode, you get P3 bright adaptive colors, along with HDR video highlight mode featuring a super sensitive image quality engine. The resolution of the screen is 2780 x 1264 pixels, which is the highest, but it also supports the standard 1080p resolution. The screen has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and you can even customize the refresh rate of your apps. However, not all Realme phones have this feature. For example, in the Realme 12 Pro Plus, customizing the app refresh rate is not possible, but in the Realme GT Neo 6 SE, the screen uses 8G LTPO technology, which means it supports adaptive refresh rates ranging from 0.5 to 120 Hz, reducing power consumption. Additionally, the display includes green AI eye protection, which you can simply turn on. Moreover, the phone also features a 2160 Hz PWM dimming feature. Along with that, in the game space, you also get the eye protection feature. This interface is from last year's GT Neo 5 Pro, and this one is from the GT Neo 6 SE, showcasing the eye protection interface. So, this time, the phone comes with several eye protection features. Additionally, you'll find air gesture functions, which was unexpected and usually found only in Realme's flagship phone, the GT5 Pro. Talking about the camera in the Realme GT Neo 6 SE, you get a 50-megapixel main camera with a Sony IMX882 sensor, along with a secondary 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This time, the phone comes with only two lenses, which is good because there's no extra micro or depth lens added. On the module's right side, you'll find the flash, and here you get a dual LED flash. At first glance, it looks like a camera lens, but it's actually the flash setup. The camera setup in the phone is similar to the one in the OnePlus Ace 3V, which will be launched under the name Nord 4. I've already uploaded the unboxing and review video of the OnePlus Nord 4. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link in the description below or in the card above. Be sure to check it out. Here, you get a color pattern similar to Realme's 12 Pro Plus, and the camera also comes with AI features. You'll find the object elimination function, where AI helps remove objects from frames. You just need to frame the object you want to remove, and with AI's assistance, it disappears. Moreover, it even automatically detects and removes other objects. However, you can notice why the removed area looks dark. Additionally, you also get the AI call log feature. Talking about the performance of the Realme GT Neo 6 SE, it features the same processor found in the OnePlus Nord 4, the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor. This processor comes with architecture similar to the 8 Gen 2 flagship processor. The highest variant of the phone offers 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The RAM is LPDDR5X, while the storage is UFS 4.0. In terms of battery, the Realme GT Neo 6 SE packs a 5,500 mAh battery with support for 100 watts charging. This means it can charge the battery from 0 to 50% in just 12 minutes. Talking about the price of the Realme GT Neo 6 SE, the base variant starts at 1699 Chinese yuan in China, which translates to around £190 in the UK and $234 in the USA. In conclusion, the phone offers an outstanding display with excellent brightness and next-level eye protection. The performance is also good, and I've already conducted a performance test for the Realme GT Neo 6 SE. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link in the description below. The battery life is also good, and the charging is fast. However, the camera might be considered average. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Blackness.